A guide to activate maintenance mode on Samsung Galaxy devices with OneUI 5. Samsung's OneUI is popular for providing customized features to Android devices. Recently, the South Korean giant has introduced the latest version of the UI update with the S23 series of smartphones. Interestingly, the S23 smartphones now get maintenance mode with OneUI 5. This lets users secure all their data on the smartphone if the device is given for servicing or repair. Here is a guide on how to enable maintenance mode on Samsung Galaxy devices. Step 1. Go to Settings on Samsung smartphones which run on Android 13 based on OneUI 5 OS. Step 2. Select Battery and Device Care. Step 3. Now click on the maintenance mode to enable it. Step 4. Alternatively, the maintenance mode can be activated through the Samsung Members app by entering the support menu and tapping on the maintenance mode. Those who do not know, the maintenance mode comes handy when a smartphone has to be given for servicing. The mode locks the data of the device and lets technicians test all the features without accessing any of the stored media.